Hello everybody and welcome to part 2 of making these runny birdies. I'm not at the bird part yet, but I will be, maybe, by the end of this video. So, I bookmarked where we left off, and if you guys remember, it was 23. I'm pretty sure I already added the parts though, let me check. Yeah, no, it looks the same as the image. So that means we can move on to... Where's my little penny thing? Here we are. Bam. Gonna cross this off. And we're gonna move on to step 24. So, I have a really good organizational system now. It's pretty advanced, pretty sophisticated. It is definitely not just a large amount of the pieces. Okay, one of these, and then we need one of these. Okay. Now using it from this direction, it should go right here. Okay, yeah. Here, and then cover up this brown part with this blue part. Okay. And now, ooh, here's some complicated stuff now. Flower. Then a bright yellow piece, and this is this one, and then this. So yeah, okay, so I think I'm going to turn this upside down, put this piece on this piece, like this, and then like this. So now we have a cute little flower, I think. And now we are going to put that right here. Yeah, oh, you did that. You cute little flower. Okay. Yeah, no, that'll be it. Okay. And now we have to grab a white web piece, like this, white web piece, okay? And then we need to grab one of the blue pieces and put them on here. Turn it. Okay. And now, going this way, we need a blue flower piece. Like this. Okay, and then one of these on top. Yeah, here we are. Bam. Look at that. Okay. And then we are going to need a couple new parts. Here we are. 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 8. There are 8 here. Okay, and now we need 8 of these. Yeah, let me just... Man, there's a lot of noise in the background. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, and that is the last of these pieces. Ooh, and this is pretty complicated, but we also need 8 of the transparent looking ones. So, put them right here, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now we take one of these, get this, and then on the lower part, we have to grab one of these little ones, put it right here, and now, okay, turning it this way, we grab one of the transparent ones, plop it on top of this little part, and bam, look at that. Oh, and we also need some purple parts. How did I forget about that? Well, where are the purples? Oh, here we are. And now we're gonna cover it up like this. There, you did that. And we have to do that like 8 times. So yeah. Because I'm gonna have to keep talking, I guess. How is your day going? Mine has been pretty okay. Yeah, I just woke up, you know. How early do you wake up when you don't have any commitment? Is it like pretty early? Well, what do you like to do when you don't have a commitment? Okay, let me just plop this one right on. Yeah. Bam. Yeah, my parents keep complaining about how late I wake up, but you know, I think it's good. Like, nothing important happens. My dad got me some pizza though, so that's pretty rad. Time to plop this here. Bam. Grab one of these, grab one of these, plop one of these on top. Yeah, I have been watching a lot of Mr. Nightmare content. It is a YouTube channel, and what they do is they basically narrate horror stories that they get people send the YouTube channel. They're like horror stories. And like, you know, if you had a particularly scary story, you can send it to them and they might read it. Most of the videos say, here are 3, you know, interesting horror stories. So yeah, I don't know how many are actually real. Like, he does give you his email. So like, if something bad actually happened to you, you could probably like actually do it. And wow, we did. That was 8 whole pieces, and the time just flew by. Is what I would say, if it did. It did not. Okay. Oop, I thought it was the pieces on the wrong way. Okay. And here we are. I don't know how close they could be. Maybe really close. Maybe that's the point. But here we are. Yeah. Yeah, I'm the Joker now. I'm doing the brave thing now. Okay, but then need. Oh wait, no, it's not these ones. It is these. These 2 gray pieces. Okay. And now we need 2 red pieces. So 1, 2. And now we need just one of these. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this one. Okay. And then grab this red piece. We're gonna put it in here. So, oh. And now on the other side, we're gonna use this. This is how it goes, right? I'm not like doing this wrong. Oh wait, maybe they're supposed to be like limited to that. I did use this to like put it back out. Yeah, maybe I you put it to the line. Okay. But it looks like oh, okay, here's how I think it goes. And then with the green piece, we do the same thing. And now, we go here. And now we have your joint. We did like move back and forth. Back and forth. Okay, and now, take this. And now, your flower has a thing. That's pretty cool. It doesn't turn. I don't know why I tried to turn it. Okay, but now we go here. And now it should go right. Oh, right here. It connects to this joint here. So now. Oh, wait. We just stop trying to bend it. And here we are. Bam. We got 2 flowers now. Okay. Oh my god, are we gonna do that dead to the birds now? I think we are deading to the birds now. Okay, one of these. And then 2 leaves. Okay, well that one now. Alright, now wait, you put it at the end. Okay. And now we grab one of these. Bam. I don't know how close they should be, but I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, yo, they could be right here maybe. They should be touching. Okay. And now we have 2 of these, and we put it right here. And another one right here. Bam and bam. And that, oh, that piece fell off. And I think we take one of these and one of these. These are way up pieces that look really cool. Okay. Oh, and they just hold the leaves in place like this. Okay. I think I can play cool. I like that. Okay. Putting this right here. Bam. Okay. Now that we have that, we need to, we need the 2 nougat covered pieces, and also one of these. I didn't know it's just one. And then going back here, you glide it in. And now we have this piece, and this piece. So yeah, we have a lot of area to put stuff on. And ooh, here we need a good couple pieces. Two of these. And then one, two of those. And then one of the turtle pieces. And then two of the like curved pieces kinda. Okay, one and two. And then we need some holding pieces. One, two, and then just one more black piece. Okay. We take this. We put this piece on top. We then put another one on top of that one. And taking these two rounded pieces, we plop them on top. Okay. And bam. Okay. And now turning it around to the upside down. We need to go here. This one here. And then bam. Here we are. And now on this side, we need to put two hooks right here. Okay. And bam. Okay. And now going on this side, it's right here. Yeah, oh yeah, that looks good. Now we need two of these peel pieces, or maybe they're ice-colored pieces. I think they're whatever you want them to be. Put these two here. Okay. And then grabbing one of these and putting it on the back of that. And then after that we need one of these. Okay. Okay, yeah, and now we need a green L piece, just like this one. Then we need a light green looking piece on top of it. Okay. And then one of what direction is it? Wait, did I put this on the wrong direction? Hold on, it's an LP. Can I even do that? I just went ahead in my old thingy and done the thing I needed to get it right off that. But anyway, I will pull this piece off in a moment. And we are back. Then you put this piece on it. Okay. Turning to the next page. You grab okay. Put it right here then. Okay. Okay, yeah. Hopefully there's something we can do to tighten that situation, because I'll push and it just pops right off. Okay. And then we have to put one of these on here. Okay. Ooh, and now we need another green LP. And we are gonna be putting it right here. Bam. Now you're gonna be able to good taste. That's pretty cool. I think I make a lot of noise when I touch the pages. But now, it has a dead taste and it's more of a glide. I do not know how to do S words. Okay. Bam. Huh. Now we take this. Wait. I need something to hold the pages down. Okay. Bam. Look at this. And now we have a little round chest area. Okay. And now we need some round pieces, which are right here. And then one of, come on, no, I tell you that. Maybe jumble one of a mesh. Okay, and then we obviously need to put it right here. Yeah, no, I'm right. Okay. Right, let me show you guys. And boom, I think we put his ring on. And then we have to repeat the process. So I'm gonna get another one of these and another one of these. Just going to put it over here again. Now, right here. Come on, press down a bit harder. Yeah, okay. There. Now we have two wings on both sides. And I think I'm going to end the video because now we are at depth 50. So right after this, I will have to wave goodbye to you guys. Because now we are at depth 50. Let's take this and mark it down. Yeah, okay, yeah. Bam. That was a very poor mark down. But maybe the next video I could actually do it better.